Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Black Desert Mobile. First, you will create your character, choosing from several distinct classes, each with unique abilities. Then, dive into the main quest line. It guides you through the world and unlocks essential features. Take a moment to explore the user interface, understanding where your inventory, skills, and map are located. This foundational knowledge is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable start to your adventure. Combat in Black Desert Mobile is dynamic and engaging. While auto combat is an option, practicing manual control allows for far greater precision and strategic depth. Remember to upgrade your character's skills consistently. This significantly boosts your damage output and effectiveness in battle. Learning to chain your abilities into powerful combos will give you a distinct advantage against tougher enemies and in player versus player encounters. Your character's power largely depends on their gear. Focus on enhancing your equipment using black stones to gain substantial stat increases. The Black Spirit is your constant companion, growing stronger with you and providing powerful burst attacks when its rage meter is full. Don't forget to join World Boss events. These challenging encounters offer some of the most valuable and rare rewards in the entire game. To truly thrive, consider joining a guild. Guilds offer cooperative benefits, including shared quests and buffs, making your journey much easier and more social. For those seeking a challenge, the player versus player arenas provide thrilling competitive action against other adventurers. Beyond combat, explore various life skills such as fishing, gathering, or crafting. These activities offer unique rewards and a different pace of gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.